I use potato and rice for 7 days. My skin transformation is very crazy. If you have dark spot, acne, sun damage, chemical damage, or you want to glow your skin naturally, you want to flourish your skin like a Korean glassy skin without spending money, stay tuned with me because today I'm sharing my 5 secret ingredients that complete transform my skin just in 1 week. I'm not talking about anything, I'm talking about potato and rice. Let's start it together because this 5 ingredient is going to transform your skin to make it that Korean glassy skin that you are looking for. You are going to get it. If you have dark spots, you have acne, you have sun damage, everything that you have, this thing is going to help you, and it's good for all the skin type. That is the best thing. The best part also, all the skin type can use this thing, unless if you have any allergy with any of these ingredients I'm going to add, then it means this face mask is not for you. But if you don't have any allergy on that, you are good to use it. So now I put my potato into my pot and I wash my rice and add inside. So my queens, if you are wondering about the rice, I use this tablespoon. I take 2 tablespoons. That one I'm just using 2 tablespoons of rice, and that 1 medium size of potato. I peel it and I pour everything inside. But the only thing when you are doing, make sure that your thing did not burn. You did not burn it, okay? So now after finish cooking it, and I'm going to blend it. So now you can get this type of smoother paste that I got. This smooth paste, but when you get it this way, try to strain it again because maybe potato particles or rice particles can be inside, because we need this thing to be very smooth, creamy, paste, right? So now what I'm going to add right now is my yogurt. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. My queens, before we mix it up, let me tell you guys why this combo is magic. First, let's start with my potato. Okay, I added yogurt and I add honey inside. So the next, I'm going to add a little drop of pink drop of rose water into it. But before that, let's check and see the potato. Potato is packed with vitamin C and catalose to brighten dark spots. It's going to brighten your dark spot if you have the dark spot, or you have a acne, and it's also tighten face. Potato is the magic when it's come to the skin tone. And when you check about rice also is giving us the smoothest texture. To thank the vitamin E, we are doing what? We are adding rose water, and rose water also is balancing our pH. And yogurt, I added yogurt also is with lactic acid for gentle peeling your skin, making it more smooth. And honey also is locking the deep moisture into your skin or into your face. So this is the basic for for tightening and glassing, making your skin to look very smooth, to fill your dark spots, your acne, your dull skin, the dull skin that you having. Your skin is not skinning. Your skin is very hard or is very rough. Try to apply this thing and thank me later. Because for me, today, I want to do this thing, 7 days challenge. So who is around there? For you watching me up to this point, I know you are interested. You really want to see. You can see my skin now. So let's start it from today, because this video is going to be, everything is going to be inside here. Okay, I'll put the day. Today is the date 1. So today ending day 7, so that you people see the changes. Try to use it and come back to thank me later. This thing is not like, it's not joking. I love it. I try it and I love it. Then I say no. Now I'm going to do the 7 days challenge with this treatment. And I know I will definitely going to do it more and more. Even if I don't shoot a video about it, but I'll do it more and more because it's helping me. Look at the skin right now. It helped me. My face I used to have pimples too much on my face because I have an oil skin, and as you know, oil skin always coming with peanuts. I love to eat peanut is something that is giving me dark pimples. And while you have a pimples, whether you just what's the name, pull it out or you leave it, after it is dry, it's giving you a dark spot, right? So that is how face that I have here. And that is what I'm trying to tell you people. So if you know that you also have a dark spot, you have the acne, you have sun damage, bleaches, damaging, any damage of your body, or you want your skin to be looking glassing, popping, you want your skin to be looking very smooth, this face mask is for you. It's for you, and it's not taking too much time to make it. It's very easy. Maybe if you are going to say you don't have the rose water to add, I just added the rose water for the more beneficial. Okay, if you don't have rose water, just use potato and rice and you add honey inside. Even if you don't add or yogurt, it's also these 3 ingredients also is going to work for you. So this is the first day. I'm peeling it after I'm going to wash my face, guys, so that you guys will judge everything for me. So now after finish washing it, as you guys can see, you see how my face. Now I'm going to apply my vitamin C oil that I made for myself. Please, if you want to learn how to make your own vitamin C oil, go to my channel and watch everything. You will see everything step by step over there, how to prepare your own vitamin C oil. So you can see my skin for the first day. My dark spot, that stubborn dark spot, it is there. Okay, but it's going. I know I'm putting energy on it, so it's going small, but you can see it. I want you guys to see for the day 7 so that you guys will see. So now this is the first day is over. So let's see, by tomorrow we'll come back again here to do the continue the job, because I'll put this video all together. Okay, don't go far. Okay, today is our second day of our face treatment. Today is my second day. Guys, I'm so tired, but I need to film this thing for you people because I just come up from work. So after apply it, I wait for 15 to 20 minutes, or you can just wait, allow it get dry. Okay, allow the face mask get dry on your skin before you peel it. Now you can see how this is the day 2, my people. I love what I'm touching, and when I'm touching my skin, I'm not even removing my hand because I love what I'm seeing on my face. Guys, see this skin. My skin is skinning. Today is the second day, so tomorrow we're back again to do. Today is the third day. We are back again to do the treatment again. Now, guys, it's time for us to peel it again. After peeling it, but when you make it on your eyebrow, try to do what? While you are going to peel, just wash it. I think it will be much better. If not, you will remove your hair. You can see, guys, 3rd day. Tell me, please just be honest with me. What are you seeing here? Have you seen any difference here? Have you seen any challenge here? My daughter is around owning the lights off and owning and offering. But anyway, the natural light is showing. Today is our 3rd day. Time is going, guys. Time is going, right? Time is going. Today is the 3rd day, and I wash my face as usual, and I apply my face mask. So now the 4th day. 4th day. So we are going to do what is about to dry. It actually is dry. I'm peeling it to wash, so that we see. Guys, what are you seeing? Have you seen that challenge? And this is the 5th day. Okay, guys, the 5th day, the 6th day. Yesterday I didn't take it because I was so tired. Even this one also, you can see yesterday also I was so tired, but I was just forcing. I said no, I have to try to make a video, but yesterday I couldn't do it. I was so tired. I said no, but I will definitely going to take the last day so that you guys will see the challenge. 7 days challenge, guys. now it's dry. It's time to do what? To go and wash it and moisturize our face. You can use any of your favorite moisturizer cream immediately when you wash your face. Try to moisturize your face. Don't leave your face like that, okay? You have to moisturize it. Guys, look at the skin. Oh my god, I'm super happy. I want you to try this 7 days glowing challenge with me. Comment potato down below if you are joining. Do not forget to do what? Like this video and subscribe, okay? Subscribe to Princess Hair Care for more, more beauty care and more DIY hair care things. So my queens, today is the last day of our treatment, okay? So I just wash my face as usual. Before you apply this treatment, please always make sure, even if you wash your face, try to damp your face again. Make your face get a little bit wet again, okay? Before you apply, do not apply while your face is dry. It's good when your face is a little bit damp and you apply this treatment. So when you apply it also, you have to sit like 15 to 20 minutes, or maybe by that time, if you feel like it's not yet dry, you can add yourself like 5 minutes more or 10 minutes for the thing to get dry before you go and wash. So now I'm going to wait until we get to wash it. So it's time for us to let it get dry. Please subscribe, like, and share for me. I love you guys.
My face is dry, so I'm going to wash my face and we see how the final day, how my face is going to be looking. So I don't want to add any sun wrinkles lights. I just want to use this natural lights for you people to see the difference by yourself. So I will do it like this to remove it easier. You can also just wash it, okay? So I finished washing and let me just use my cotton. So now I wash my face, guys. You can see my dark spot. Can you guys see it again? Today, the last day, I'm going to add my vitamin E oil because my vitamin C oil, I didn't add vitamin E oil inside. It was only my handmade I use. Guys, oh my god, this is crazy, yeah? This treatment, to be honest, I'm going to do it again. Although not today, but I will definitely going to try it again. Guys, look at this skin. Look at this skin, my people. It's very soft. You can see my dark spot now. Let me just stop laughing so that you people look at my face very well. How is it? How is it? It shocked me. Oh my god, I love it. I love what I'm touching. Imagine, look. Look. Oh, natural, no chemicals, no market products. Just my own kitchen ingredients just has transformed my face like that. I love it. I would definitely going to try it again. Thank you very much for watching. You see, this is the 7 days challenge from day 1 to day 7. I take the video only yesterday that I didn't take video because I came back home late, so when I was doing night, the lights was not enough for me, and I don't want to use my ring lights. I just want to use natural lights so that you people will see the natural glowy without any lights. Oh my god, imagine, look. So try it and let me know how it's going with you. I love you. Bye bye.